In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust audio settings in Google Meet. Whether you're preparing for an important meeting or just jumping onto a casual call with friends, ensuring clear audio is crucial. Let's dive into the process step by step so you can communicate smoothly without any hitches. First things first, you'll want to access Google Meet. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Google Meet website. Once there, you'll either join an ongoing meeting or start a new one. This is your starting point for adjusting audio settings, as the process happens within the meeting interface itself. Next, look towards the lower right corner of the Meet window. You'll see a three-dot menu icon. Click on this to reveal a menu with various options. Here you'll find the Settings choice, which is crucial for managing both video and audio configurations. Click on Settings to access the menu specifically for your meeting preferences. This section allows you to refine your experience, ensuring everything runs as smoothly as possible during your calls. Once you're in the Settings menu, direct your attention to the Audio tab. Click on this tab and you'll be presented with a variety of options tailored towards your audio input and output. It is here that you can select your microphone and speakers, an important step for optimizing clarity, especially if you're using external audio equipment like headsets or dedicated microphones. Within the Audio tab, select the microphone you'd like to use from the drop-down menu. Ensure that your preferred microphone is connected and recognized by your device. If you're using the built-in microphone, it should automatically be selected, but do check to avoid any mishaps. Speaking into your microphone and observing the volume indicator can be a good test to verify that your voice is being picked up clearly. After that, look at the drop-down menu under Speakers. Choose the speakers or headphones through which you want to hear participants. Again, test them by clicking the test button nearby to see how the audio sounds. Adjust the volume level as needed for comfort and clarity. It's amazing how small adjustments can significantly boost your overall meeting experience. Remember, what works today might not be suitable the next time. If you frequently switch between devices or meeting scenarios, regularly checking these settings ensures that you reduce any technical disruptions. By following these simple yet effective steps, you can adjust the audio settings in Google Meet, thus enhancing your meeting performance. Well set audio ensures that you not only hear every word, but also convey your thoughts clearly. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope these tips help you host or join your meetings with confidence and clarity.